So my name's Harry. I'm studying HND Mechanical Engineering at Tameside College. I suppose I would say the best thing about this course is from day one, let me get my apprenticeship, get my job, and continue to keep on going to now HND level. So it's given me a lot of opportunities. I've learned a lot of the theory work, such as design and prototyping, that comes into stuff rather than just a purely manufacturer side. By the time I finish my course, I would have 7 years of work experience as well as my qualifications, so it's really worked all right so far for me. Practically, I do 4 days a week, and then I get my 1 day in college and weekends off. And it allows me a really good balance within my life, you know. I say some of the skills that I've learned, it helps me well, communication between different departments and working effectively in a professional environment. I've studied many different fields of engineering, so I feel like a lot of pathways can be open to me if I choose to do that. We can go to even higher, go to university level education, or I can keep my level 5 qualification and then into the wider world of work after that.